Everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mine your Mnemonics, how to mine Mnemonics. Now, Mnemonics is a very fantastic and very interesting airdrop, and it's been making wave over on Telegram and over the internet in general. However, there is a caveat here. Now, Mnemonic is just looking for 1 million members, and as of the time I am recording this video, there are well over 300,000 members, and you know how fast, it's very easy to get over 1 million membership in crypto airdrops, in this present time. So if you are seeing this video, do not snooze. You've seen it, congratulations. Now do the needful and you look at the description section of this video and make sure you join Mnemonics ASAP. Join. Time waits for no one. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to be making a very major announcement. Guys, believe me, you don't want to miss this announcement. I kid you not. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. As you click on the link, what you want to click on you see your start button as usual. You can click on play, okay, whether on this or on this. Now that you are in on the website, this is how the interface looks like. The first thing you want to do is to come to this check-in, okay. As you know, when you check in, what you want to do is to claim this. You claim it once a day. I've already claimed mine for today. Then after that, what you want to do is to do the quest. Very important, guys, very important. So you click on quest, and then the very first quest is for you to start the mnemonic bot, okay. As you do it, what you get is actually cheap. You can see two right here, 2 chips, okay, and that's what you get for completing each quest, okay. And the same thing when you check in, you also get chips, okay. And I'm very soon I'm going to tell you what the chips are for. Now, if you look at the top right here, you are seeing something that looks like a battery life right here. You can see 5, and then you can also see 2, 4, 5. Okay, what this means, these are things that will help you to mine the mnemonics every day. Now, as you come in every day, you are entitled to 5 battery life, okay. And then depending on how much of the quest you do, or the number of referrals you have, you are going to get the chips, and I'm going to show you what they are for right now. Now, how do you start mining your mnemonics? So what you want to do is to click on this ready here, okay. When you click on ready, you'll be brought to this page. It will bring you to this page, and then what you have here are actually spaces for you to fill in seed phrase or recovery phrase. Now let me quickly give you what this mnemonic is all about. So the assumption or the idea is that you are getting seed phrase, okay, to hack people's wallets, okay. When you have a wallet, when you create your wallet, you definitely will need to write down your seed phrase, and anyone that has your seed phrase or recovery phrase can definitely enter into your wallet. So the whole idea is you have to generate six seed phrases in the boxes provided, and then with that you'll be able to hack people's wallets. But don't be scared, don't worry. It's just for fun. It is not real, okay? It is not real. It's just for fun. But this is just how this project is designed. It's just fun. So you are not stealing anybody's money, okay? So what you want to do is you can either fill in, you can pick any of these words, 6 of them on your own, okay, by yourself, or you click on auto generate, okay? So when you click on auto generate, it will generate the seed phrase for you automatically. So in this case, I'm going to click on auto generate. And then now listen, guys, this is where the your battery or your chip come to play. Now, if you look at this, it says, if you look at the right up here, it says chips are 6 times faster than batteries, and the easiest way to get your chips is to refer friends. Yes. Now, the work of this thing is, if you use battery, okay, remember that every day you log in, you are entitled to what? How many batteries? 5 batteries, okay, 5 battery lives. Now, if you use batteries, it will take you about 60 minutes for you to be able to hack a particular wallet. On the other hand, if you make use of chips, it will only take you 10 minutes. So for me, I like to, of course, definitely I want to earn very fast, okay? But for those that may not really have the time to be online like that and all that, maybe you are busy with 1 or 2 things, then you can just go for the 1 hour, that is the 60 minutes, that is making use of battery, okay? But there is one thing you need to be aware of. Mnemonics is not like any other project whereby the mining will wait for you and then you can come and mine or claim whatever that has been mined at any time. If you waste time, okay, other people will come in and then empty the wallet before you come in. Believe you me, it happened to me. I just joined yesterday and it happened to me. I experienced it live yesterday, okay? So you don't want to wait. You want to come in as soon as it's finished mining, come in and claim your coins, or in this case, bills, okay? So I tap on the 10 minutes, okay? And then it starts mining. Then I can tap on home, go to home. So this is the machine I am using to mine right now, okay? So it's mining for me, and you can see the timer is running down. So I have less than 10 minutes, okay, to come and claim this. So once 10 minutes is done, I'll come and claim it. Now, as you can see right here, we have 3 machines right here, okay? So with one, you can buy one with your bills, and you can use referral. I think about 3 referrals, or even buy with another one. This one, I bought this machine yesterday with about 30,000 bills. While this machine, if we click on it, this other machine, let's see the requirement. If you click on it, what's the requirements? Okay, it's refusing to come up now, but I was able to click on it yesterday and I saw 200,000 and 3 referrals, meaning that is the requirement for me to buy this. But I bought this one yesterday, okay? The next thing you want to be aware of, what is actually the name of the coins or token we are mining, is actually called bills. This is what we are here for, the bills, okay? So so this is what you earn each time you mine. And then the next thing you have to be aware of is the referral. So we are in our referral page, okay? Now, how do you get your referral link? So you can just click on this and then it will prompt you to forward the referral link to someone. Okay, that's the way you get your referral link, or you can forward it to yourself and then copy out your referral link and send it to someone. Okay, so let's scroll up a bit. Then if you come here, as you get referrals, you'll be given bonus bills as well as bonus chips. Okay, so what you want to do is you come here and claim your bonuses. Then the next one is referrals are as your referrals are mining the mnemonics or hacking and hacking different wallets, you also be getting bonus or hacking bonus. Okay, so what you want to do is to come here and then claim the bills. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, this is how this project work. It's very straightforward and simple. Okay, so as I said, you don't have much time, so come in and get as much mnemonics as possible. This project has been on for a while. Once the 1 million membership is reached, this project is coming to an end. And let me just quickly make this announcement. I'm going to be bringing up a very, very important update about a certain token. This token presently is, as at the last time I checked, is trading on their DEXSwap at $2.06, but it has not been listed on a centralized exchange yet. On the 28th of June, which is this month, is going to be listing at $10 on a centralized exchange, a tier 1 centralized exchange. It has not been announced yet, but it's coming up very soon. It will be announced very soon. Okay, so please be on the, you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. And there is a whole lot of ways for you to earn from that particular project. So that's it, guys. Stay blessed and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video and share with your friends, and also click on the notification bell to be the first to know about the all important update that is coming up very, very soon. So be on the lookout, and also remember to join our WhatsApp and Telegram group. The links will be in the description section below this video, and also join the mnemonics. The link is also there. So stay blessed. This is the Easy Earners Club.